Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to be diving into a side-by-side comparison of Smartsheet and ClickUp, two powerful platforms built to help teams manage projects, collaborate, and stay productive. So I'm going to break down their features, ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. Smartsheet is a work execution platform that brings the flexibility of a spreadsheet into a project management tool. It's designed to help teams plan, track, automate, and report on work across a wide range of use cases. It's especially popular with enterprises and project-heavy teams that need detailed grid-style visibility. On the other hand, ClickUp is built for customization. It's more of an all-in-one platform that lets you manage tasks, docs, goals, time tracking, and more. So whether you're running sprints, launching campaigns, or managing client work, ClickUp gives you the flexibility to structure your workspace exactly how you want it. Now let's talk about features. So Smartsheet revolves around its spreadsheet-like interface where you can add rows and columns to track projects, assign tasks, and automate updates. It supports Gantt charts, dashboards, and form submissions. You also get conditional formatting, reminders, and project-level reporting. Smartsheet is designed to feel familiar to users comfortable with Excel, but adds more structure and collaboration to the mix. ClickUp, meanwhile, offers everything from basic to advanced project tracking. You get views like lists, boards, calendars, timelines, and Gantt charts, plus docs, goals, and time tracking built right in. One of ClickUp's standout features is its automation builder, which allows you to automate recurring tasks, assign responsibilities, and send notifications without writing code. And unlike Smartsheet, ClickUp lets you build out detailed custom workflows and adjust your views per team member. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Smartsheet is great if you're coming from a spreadsheet-heavy background. The layout is clean, professional, and data-driven, but it might feel a little rigid to users who want more visual project layouts. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a more modern and colorful interface with lots of flexibility. It can feel overwhelming at first due to its sheer number of features, but once set up, it's extremely powerful. So when it comes to integrations, both platforms perform well. Smartsheet integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Jira. It also supports automation through Zapier and its built-in workflows. So ClickUp connects with hundreds of tools, including Slack, Zoom, Outlook, and GitHub, and also provides a public API for more technical users. Now let's talk about pricing. Smartsheet has 4 pricing plans: Pro at $12 per member per month, Business at $24 per member per month, and Enterprise and Advanced Work Management, both of which are custom pricing. ClickUp also has 4 plans. You got the free plan, unlimited at $7 per user per month, Business at $12 per user per month, and the Enterprise with custom pricing based on your needs. So which one should you go for? Well, if your team works heavily with data, relies on spreadsheets, or needs enterprise-grade reporting, then Smartsheet is a great pick. But if you're looking for a flexible all-in-one workspace with powerful customization and automation, then ClickUp is the better choice, especially for growing teams that want everything under one roof. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.